Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling core dumps and reserving a place to store them. First, set ulimit C unlimited so the kernel allows dumps. Next, configure /proc/sys/kernel/core pattern to write files to your logs directory. Make sure that path exists and the app user can write. Once done, confirm you have GDB or LLDB available to analyze the dump. Finally, start the application under the normal environment. Do not change runtime variables yet. You now reproduce the fault to generate a usable core. Run the failing input or test case. If you cannot reproduce naturally, send SIGABIT to the process to create a dump. While it runs, make sure no log rotation or cleanup will delete the core. Once the crash occurs, check the core file exists and has non-zero size, confirm timestamps and process ID match the event. If the core is missing, recheck core pattern and ulimit immediately before retrying the capture. You perform the analysis with GDB or LLDB to extract a backtrace and state. Load the executable and core, then run BT full and info registers to understand where execution failed. Examine variables and stack frames to find root cause. Once you capture evidence, archive the core plus logs, environment variables, and build ID so you can reproduce later. If symbols are missing or backtrace shows addresses, install the correct debug symbols or ensure the binary and core come from the same build to resolve incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.